Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect the Shokz OpenFit Air to your MacBook. First, put the earbuds in the case. Then press and hold both touch areas until the lights flash orange and green. This means they're in pairing mode. Next, on your MacBook, click the Apple menu, go to System Settings, then open Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. When you see OpenFit Air by Shokz, click it to connect. Optional, you can use the Shokz app on your phone for multi-point or updates, but pairing with your MacBook is done through Bluetooth. Once it shows connected, you're ready. And that's it. That's how to connect the Shokz OpenFit Air to your MacBook. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.